Do you like your haircut?
I do.
Please explain that in video.
Oh, I like how you do my bangs, you know, because I like my bangs is very important for me, so I like it how it goes on here. See, it's very perfect. I like the way you do it, and the length of my hair is perfect. I like this short, so it's perfect.
Thank you.
No design.